Honorable delegates, India stands for strategic autonomy, economic stability, and multilateralism. Today, I present India's official stance on two critical issues. The first one is economics of sanctions, and the second is Sudan crisis, both requiring a balanced, pragmatic, and humanitarian approach. India maintains that only UN-backed sanctions hold legitimacy as unilateral measures disrupt global trade as well as disproportionately impact the developing nations. We prioritize economic resilience and strategic autonomy, ensuring stable energy trade with Russia while respecting international norms also. Additionally, India also advocates for humanitarian exemptions in the sanctions, as seen in our past engagements with Iran and Afghanistan, also, where we ensured food and medical supplies for all those which are in need. As far as the India's response to the Sudan crisis is concerned, India very swiftly acted through Operation Kaveri, evacuating over 3,000 Indian nationals with the support of Saudi Arabia from the stranded region of Sudan. We urge an immediate ceasefire and peaceful negotiations in line with the United Nations mediation efforts. Additionally, India maintains active diplomatic engagement with the African Union to support a politically negotiated solution without any direct intervention. As far as the implications of Sudan crisis on regional stability is concerned, this conflict disrupt the global trade routes, impacting maritime security in the Red Sea region and Suez Canal region. It also threatens energy supplies and worsens humanitarian crisis in countries like South Sudan, Egypt, etc. However, our country closely monitors all these developments and supports each and every regional stability efforts whichever are required. Hence, India reaffirms its non interventionist yet cooperative approach, contributing over 5,000 UN peacekeeping troops and strengthening economic, defense, and diplomatic ties in Africa. We call for collective global action to restore peace and stability in the Sudan region. Thank you.